Ellie, what did you say?
He's adorable.
Who's adorable?
It's a bubble.
Aww.
He's adorable.
He's adorable?
Oh, I love him. I love Mr. Bubble.
You love Mr. Bubbles?
Yeah.
That's so
Me
sweet.
too. My name is Mr. Bubble.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.